Hello, Prem, can you listen me?
Hello, sir.
I'm telling you, stop screen share. Can you see the chat? So why I was not being
Hello, sir.
yeah, can you listen now?
Disconnected.
Hello? Can you listen me?
Sir, like, let me join again.
Now can you see me?
Yes, sir.
Can you listen me?
Yes, sir.
What had happened that time? Now can you share the screen?
Yes, sir. So I will able to download this PDF.
How to do that?
Like, I clicked on print, so it opened in browser. Then I downloaded it from there.
Come back again.
Sir, first click on print, this option.
Okay.
So then it will open it in a browser. So I can download it from here.
Okay, then stop screen sharing. Let me try. Or I can try even without screen sharing also. So here, what you are telling here, you go for, sorry, print, and then here you can have you talked to Nishant?
No, sir, I haven't called. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Okay, so Nishant has joined.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine. I'm sorry for being late, sir.
Are you doing something or you?
No, sir. Actually, I not doing anything. I went to I was bathing. I went to bath, so I didn't see the message.
Okay, sorry. And now, what is our Prem? Prem is there with us,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
but why I am seeing only one at a time? Gallery view. Okay, now it is there. Okay. So are you engaged in any other activities, regular activities?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Any class, anything you joined?
No, sir.
I think Shadab is doing some online classes, so he is not able to join, and I am planning to drop him, because this half-heartedly working will not serve his purpose, my purpose. Unless unnecessarily, I will give some work to him, he will not do, and in that way, my time will waste and his time also will waste. I don't think that means doing multiple work you can achieve anything. Whatever my suggestion is that morning I had a very bad, I should say, experience with some address. The casual approach of writing and simple address, we have diversion for that. Prem, I am not criticizing. Prem, can you listen me?
Yes. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I was not able to listen. Hello.
What is the problem? Nishan, can you listen me?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
My
Prem,
internet is a
what is
bit.
the problem?
My internet connection is bit unstable. So if I switch off the video, then like it
So
will be fine.
this is, you see, this our productivity. I am repeatedly telling how we can be more effective, more efficient, how we can improve our productivity. All these matters, because I tell you repeatedly this point that only knowledge will not help you in success. You can be a brilliant guy, extraordinary brilliant, but who cares?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Who
Like if
cares?
while speaking, I may switch on the video, but sometime internet
No,
connection
okay.
problem
Now
occurs.
this question comes of effective work. This is external factor. You cannot control it. So you have to adjust. It will affect your productivity, but you are helpless for that. But there are many aspects which is in your control that you can improve,
Yes, sir.
is not it? And we have to be focused. We have to do it. Morning I thought I will finish today's all chapters, but then I saw you, the way you are entering that um, uh, daily plan, no, that means you it will after that almost you will be unproductive at the end of the day. So I thought that it is also required, one of the thing to make it aware that how to be more productive. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have gone to chapter 11 and 12, so I have to go through the
No,
chapter.
okay. Don't means I'm not just listen it properly. I'm just trying to understand the effective way of working. Is
Okay.
this 24 hours is for all. You have to do everything within 24 hours. And in that, some people do lot of things and some people fail to start anything. So what is the difference between these two? Difference is the approach. The approach you are starting your work. Nishant, for you also, because you, I see that you will rise a very high level, no doubt about that. But at the same time, you have to always keep in your mind that your productivity matters. How you execute your work, that will matter. And today morning, that's why I am sharing a video. I will share the link immediately. And you can you go to the classroom, Nishant? Have you joined classroom?
Yes, I have joined. I'm
Yeah.
okay, sir.
You go there, share your screen.
Yes, sir.
because I have the way means normal way of learning this thing what you are following now. But already I have followed those steps, and I know that how difficult and how slow this um, path. So I am telling you that don't waste time for the things which I have already experienced. I want to share with you. So you learn fast and act fast. You need not relearn from scratch, from zero to. These are the all files of my Excel file. You go to the bottom. Yes, extreme bottom. Yeah. Uh,
Yes, sir. I think this is the bottom.
yes. So here you see two files. Can you download these files?
Okay. Yeah, so these two, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
These are the treasure filled with treasure. Here you can see my thoughts also to some extent, which will be helpful for you.
Download, click on print. Print. Okay, now you can download.
Okay.
You give a name. You give a
Oh,
name. Don't take
okay, sir.
default name.
1 minute.
Again, download it. Again,
Uh,
repeat download.
yeah, sir. 1 minute. Sir, I am renaming 1 minute, sir.
Okay, we are not seeing that window. We are
Okay,
seeing
okay.
this window. No issue. So here I have discussed about linear algebra, and with this I have also one video. You can scroll this slowly this file so that I can explain something.
Sir, this PDF file.
Yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
This is actually my PPT presentation, but I think I have uploaded the PDF form. From
Sir,
that, you can take material uh, right away. You need not
okay.
think.
Sir,
Okay.
are you able to see the PDF or not?
No, no,
Okay.
we are seeing that. Yes, now I can see. No, I think it is. Yes. Now you scroll slowly in. These are
Okay.
the activity-based linear algebra. So here I am seeing that everybody face problem in learning mathematics. So what to do for that? And these thoughts are there. You can later you can see it all. You can scroll down slowly. You can scroll down. Yeah, you can go down. Yes, go down. You continue like that. These are the points. You go up. You go up again up. Yes, these are the points. Now you see when I'm seeing this river, no, as if that river is made at one line in the middle of the photo. It appears that this river met in a line, and then sky met in another line of sort of thing. So what is that line? Why we get that? Can you name that line? What is that line called? Where it? Oh,
Horizon.
yes, very good. So why this horizon is at that point? Why it is not more means at near to top or near to bottom? How this horizon is this the distance as it is. Now, why it is in the almost it is on almost center? Is it default or it can be up or it can be down? There are a lot of thoughts already great humans they use their brains and they we know now why it happens like that. And you see I am standing in the one boat which is parallel to the river bed, is not it?
Uh,
That
oh,
right photo.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
This is river bed and myself is perpendicular, no, like that,
Yes, sir.
is not it?
Yes, sir.
But in
Yes.
photo, it appears that I am standing in the angle. And why it is like that? All this explanation is if you want to be a good mathematician, good engineer, then all this clarity you should have. We avoid thinking that it is very difficult subject and but it is means related to our real life. Every time we face these things. And you both are civil engineers, so you have to see that all those things at which angle if you want to show that building or that whatever structure you will be constructing, and what how it will angle will change or this dimension will change even. Huh. All these things calculation is required, and this is the base of perspective projection. Now scroll down a little bit. So this is actually Earth is spherical, but when we live in Earth, whether I am at Ahmedabad or Bihar or your place, your UP, Gorakhpur, no,
Yeah, yes, sir.
and or huh?
Yeah.
And or US, everywhere we feel it is flat. Only when we go out of the earth, then only we can realize that it is a spherical. But when you stay with earth, you never feel that it is a sphere. Similarly, go down. So this is the calculation, whatever I have done. I have taken a cube and I have shown how its perspective projection will look like and how to create that. This whole calculations are there. If you understand this calculation, you will be master in perspective projection. Perspective projection, okay? How perspective images are created. This basic thought is that when you are creating perspective images, no, then actually you are standing somewhere vertically and looking into a 3D world, is not it? Now, if I say that what you are seeing, you draw it, then you will create a scene depicting what you are seeing in this 3D. But you are depicting where it is a 2D drawing sheet. So you have to take care of this vertical world, three-dimensional world into a two-dimensional plane, and it should appear as if it is a three-dimensional object. This is the art of projection, perspective projection. You got my point? Actually,
Yes, sir.
these things you cannot learn simply reading the books. So better you learn the material, whatever I have written already, and then ask me, sir, what is this? This will be more productive, and your knowledge will real sense improve. Otherwise, so many things I have given example that you have learned in uh, colleges, schools, but you have not learned in real sense. Yesterday, I talked about partial differentiation.
Yes, sir.
So this learning will meaningless unless until you start feeling it about that. So now next go back down. So these are the research finding, all those things, how to move deep. And this is another thing. If we live in a dimensional world, so this three-dimensional world means is a integration of one dimension, two dimension, and three dimension. So in school level, majority of the people in our society, they don't learn mathematics, they don't know many mathematical concepts, but still there is no problem in a social life. So many people ask, why we learn mathematics? Without mathematics, we are living our life smoothly. So question comes, whether mathematics is required or not. It will appear that mathematics is not required, but that is not true. In my research, I have seen that majority of our mathematics which we perform is one-dimensional mathematics. What is one-dimensional mathematics? Means it is a number line. It starts from 0 and goes to positive side, and this start from 0 and go to negative side, negative infinity, positive infinity. And when we add two numbers, then that resultant number also in that line. When we multiply two numbers, the result also in that number line. So you can say that this we are doing all one-dimensional mathematics. And when you are doing that one-dimensional mathematics, no, there is no problem. Anybody can do that. But when we start deviating from that one-dimensional mathematics into two dimension, X and Y, then all this problem starts. And many person fail to understand this point. Actually, you can see that in two dimension, what we are doing, we are putting a vertical line in as a vertical number line. We had a in one dimension, we have a horizontal number line, and in two dimension, we have two number lines. One is horizontal and one is vertical. And this is not easy task. You can say, if I think that our civilization started 10,000 years back, when we started mathematics, counting, all this mathematics. First, we start our mathematics with counting, no? And almost you can say 10,000 years back. And then in that sense, if we make it that 10,000 years is a zero a starting point of our mathematics, then Rene Descartes had started this two-dimensional system to put a vertical number line. So you can say 9,500 years it was taken to go from one dimension to two dimension. Before that, you can say all mathematics is we used to be treated as one-dimensional mathematics. So in means contribution, if you think from the who has contributed maximum in the development of mathematics, then you can see that Rene Descartes, you can credit him that he has changed entire calculation system, mathematical system. He is not that given that credit Newton and that Einstein, the credit they get. This is, I think, more credible than them. What is my feeling? So this is 2-dimension, and then it is 3-dimension. We extend another vertical number line perpendicular to that first and second number line. So we get 3-dimension. So how this 3-dimensional? So in society, maximum work, 70% work can be solved by 1-dimensional mathematics. Means with a single number line. All the calculations we can do, the number will be from that number line, and their result also will be in that same number line. And people can by intuition also, they can understand that what is correct problem is correct or not, solved correct way or not. They need not go for schools. Intuitively, they will learn all those things. But in 2-dimension, 3-dimension, yes, they require to learn. Now go down, next page. These are 2-dimensional mathematics. That means I told you 70-80% already 1-dimension, 20% around 2-dimensional. 2-dimensional mathematics. Actually, this example is from linear algebra. Why we require this graphical method of solving, and what is that spanning. One of the most important term repeatedly we encounter in linear algebra is spanning and linear combination. That is shown by the that square parallelogram. You come down, then it is 3-dimensional. That you see, this 3-dimensional I have created in Excel. It is not in lab, and for that sake, 10% of our daily requirement is in 3-dimension, and we can manage it with even with 1-dimensional majority of mathematics. So if you don't learn mathematics, then you can still smoothly lead your life in society. But if you want to be a leader, if you want to be a scientist, if you want to be an effective engineer, then you have to be clarity on these points.
Yes, sir.
Now go down. So all this dynamism can be captured with one matrix that I already taught you. Go up, move up. Yes. So this is the one scaling. You know that how you can scale it. You can practice it 1 or 2 times. Then you will understand that there is a square, and that how there is a square is 2D, and how it is increasing 3D. But this blue matrix, it is the single matrix what I will be using for all purposes. 1-dimensional operation, 2-dimensional operation, 3-dimensional operation. So this is I called magic matrix or Dash matrix. I have given some name, Dash matrix. If you learn this Dash matrix, no, then you can solve 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 2 to the power 3. All this you can do, all this operation you can do with this single matrix. All binary operations.
Yes, sir.
One matrix you learn properly, then why it is required? It is required because in future when you program all those things in difficult mathematical problems, if you want to solve, you need not apply different mathematical operations. your operation will be single matrix operation, and you will get result for whatever you require, and that depend on the elements you are putting in your dash matrix. That's all. You can translate in 2D, you can translate in 3D. Only thing you should know this 16 elements. What is the role of these 16 elements? Now go down. So in that way, it is real sense, it is a game changer in the field of math education. What you feel? Nobody is thinking in that line, but if these two for 5-6 year student can understand this 16 element, role of 16 element, he can do anything, whatever you think you want to do. And not only that, this 16 element is also equally applicable for this animation in the sense transformation, all those transformation, and all those transformation you can animate. A person is started translation, it is not translation only translation, animating translation from, suppose it start at 0 point and reaching at every point of time where it will be in the next position, everything you can do. Go down. These are the all related to the transformation. So you go down slowly. This how any 3D object you can create, that is I have shown. This is all our Excel files. So you know that now how you can try to create all these. These are the things. Go up. These are the thing. Arc length. You have studied arc length in your first year, second year. So how this arc length? Why we require this arc length? Means I want to measure the length of this spring. So if it is a straight line, I can put the scale, I can measure the length. But in this case, how I will measure the length? So very easy formula, that Pythagorean theorem, almost you can say, it is used in a different way in integration.
Yes, sir.
But actually think. But from that, when this is a very easy way, but after this, when you calculate arc length, that gives to define those means coil or car with respect to that arc length. Here actually the problem is that T is an external property. Here we have to use arc length, we have to use T, parametric equation to plot this. And T is an external element. It is not the property of that line. But S means arc length. Arc length is the property of this line. If you take a single roll, its length will be something. If we take 1.5, its length will be something. And if you take 2 rolls, then it will be something. So arc length is the property of this spring, you can say, or
Yes, sir.
this helix. So if you can calculate arc length, you can express this helix in with respect to arc length, and arc length is a parameter of this spring. So that option means, what I mean to say, when you try to find the area of a square, suppose you can find out the length, and length is the one parameter of that square. You are not depending on any external parameter to measure the area.
Yes, sir.
You got my points. And
Yes, sir.
Same thing will happen if you know the arc length. You need not go for T. T is the left side one, which is parametric equation. Parametrically, I have created that helix. but that t is a parameter depending on which that uh, x and y changes, and based on that we can get helix. Now you know that how to create this equation, so easily you can create sometime if I find time I will explain you that how to create parametric equation, or you can learn also. It is very simple. What you do in when you use parametric equation, so your first parameter is t. You can start from anywhere, -5 to 5 or 0 to 5 something, and t, and suppose you want to make a circle, so circle angle changes with means every in a circle the length remain constant and angle changes slowly. So if you want to create a circle in Excel, what you will do, you take a t from 0 to 2 pi with an
Yes, sir.
increment of 0.1. Then length you take suppose L suppose 2, radius you want to. So T and L you have got, and X is R cos T. R is a L or R radius. So R cos T. So R into cos T and R into sin T. So as the T changes, that point will also start moving, and 360 movement, it will create a circle. So simple is creation of a circle in Excel or any other things. So like that, you can create any parametric equation in 2D, 3D.
Yes, sir.
So these videos also I want to upload, and you can help me in uploading that, and that way you can also refer it later, because everything I am telling, because it is embedded in my mind. I can see all those things in my mental eye, and I am explaining, but you don't know. You are a blank page, so you don't know where from I am taking this and what is the relevance, what is the top in lines. So you immediately you may not learn, or you may not get the ideas. But these ideas, when you first time you encounter this, second time if you see, then you can means, absorb it within you.
Yes, sir.
So at first appearance, but you have to be sincerely try it. And I am telling you, these things are nowhere available. They will show the how to create arc, calculate arc length. They will show you parameterization, but they will not tell you that why you do that. Reparameterization, it is one thing is there in your calculus, you can see, but you will not learn why you will do that. So next, go move. So these are the things. Left side is the most crucial one. It is that Lorentz attractor and all these, uh, what I should say, weather prediction are based on this simple formula. And this is so difficult to do and model, and I have done it in Excel. Just move. These are the trees. One is farm, one is this some tree, arbitrary tree.
Yes.
But I have used that matrix, and I have used this farm. Now you see this farm so regular shape. It has having a pattern, but it has created with a probability factor. Means it is randomly created. You try to understand my point. Very crucial point. Many things in the world we think it is having a pattern, and pattern and the things do not have pattern. What we call them?
Random.
random. So this is the most important part of the one of the most important part of mathematics. Mathematics is telling, though these are created randomly, so it should not have any regular shape. But in the world, there are many mathematical structure or mathematical or this is botanical structures. So there are so many structures which can be formed randomly, but it will have a very good regular shape. It is forming dust, cloud. See that cloud. If I show a cloud, will you ever means mistake to identify it is a cloud?
No.
But you see that creation of cloud, some cloud forming at Ahmedabad, some cloud forming in US, some cloud is forming in Japan. But whenever I show this to you, you will immediately tell it is a cloud, is not it?
Yes, sir.
But how you can say that confidently? Because these clouds are forming randomly, no? Is there any mathematical formula to create cloud?
No.
Nature is not applying any mathematical formula, no?
No,
So
sir.
cloud is forming randomly, still they have regular shape. You see, mathematics so beautiful. Otherwise, we will never realize all those things. Fire. Any fire I will show you, you will tell it is fire, is not it?
Yes, sir.
But fire is not forming, some fire is burning coal, some fire is burning from paper, someone is burning from uh, uh, oil. But you will tell automatically that it is fire. Similar thing we are depicting here. This is randomly created objects. You will surprised to know these things. I am what I am giving. I am asking that I am giving a formula for iterative formula. I am telling you take a probability number, suppose 0 to 1 with 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.9, 17, anything between 0 to 1. You take any number and based on that number, you choose this formula. There are 4 formulas I have given. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, any number of formula. So if this your value, probability value is in this range, you apply this formula. If it is this range, you apply this formula. You apply, if it is probability is this range, then you apply this formula. Like that, I have randomly set one program and then I run it. So I have input a particular point, suppose 5 and 5. Then 5 and 5, next point will be decided based on the equation, what is the probability. If it is 0.1, then it will take one transformation matrix to change. If it is 2.59, it will take some other transformation. So like that, it will go on applying transformation and it will go on plotting the point. But after few points, you will surprised to see that it is all a collection of points only, this farm and these trees.
Mhm.
These are forming a pattern. How is it possible? So seemingly impossible things can be explained mathematically very okay.
Yes, sir.
So, but for this, you have to know first how to do it, how to plot in Excel. Otherwise, you never can. Even I explain you, you will not realize that because you never can do it and you can never can test it. And this is the issue at contemporary world. At present world, is there are many brilliant students, They can learn it very easily, but they cannot model it and see it. So they have to learn all those things intuitively, and they have to believe it. Many times, many things that point I explained, if I would have not shown you these examples, then you have felt that sir क्या बोल रहा है, sir को कुछ पता नहीं, उल्टा उल्टा बोलता रहता है. ऐसा होगा क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
हम भी कभी कभी ऐसा सोचा बचपन में, ये सर को कुछ आता नहीं है, सर उल्टा उल्टा बोल रहा है, क्योंकि वो सर करके नहीं दिखा सकता था और हमको वो रियलिस्टिक नहीं लगता था. वन क्लासिक एग्जांपल इज प्रोजेक्टाइल. प्रोजेक्टाइल सर ने जब बताया था कि इफ यू थ्रो इट 45 डिग्री, ये सबसे ज्यादा ट्रैवल करेगा. So I believe that it is not right. I thought that when I throw it in horizontally, because we are applying same force, so horizontally it will move, means travel, not in upward direction. So it should travel in longer direct distance. So that I was carrying. And after this 30, 40 years later, when I got this, learn this modeling thing, I model myself, and that is in my Das SRL first animation. You can see that I have created that. So this 30, 40 years I was carrying that sir ने जो बोला वो गलत है. बट जब मैं मॉडल किया तो लगा, कन्विंसिंगली लगा. अभी हम भी कन्विंस हो गया. अगेन नाउ इफ आई टीच एनीबॉडी, आई कैन टीच इट कन्विंसिंगली.
Yes, sir.
So this is also a flaw in our teaching method, particularly mathematics and science. They cannot show that, they cannot model it. Though for issue is right, but I do not accept. I will doubt that formula.
Yes,
Until
sir.
I guess a 100% foolproof example of that. So battery is running low. Why I have given the charger. Now go down. This is also one thing. This also created randomly, but you see how much. I have taken a triangle and then I have removed some portion, and this is called Sierpinski gasket. And this is a fractal related to fractals, a sponge and many things forms, randomly crystals, all those things, almost mathematical classification you will get it. This also in Excel. You go down. Go down. These are patent I applied. These are the things I told you. Once
Yes,
I
sir.
teach you, I cannot teach you everything one by one. But I can give you a tool that's so self-learning. So next is self-learning. I have simplified all those things. Now next one is self-discovery and self-learning. When that student, class 6 student, he knows how to do that modeling and how to animate it and how to apply different transformations, is not it? So he is now he is not working on self-balancing, so he can model it. Otherwise, it will not come in his mind. Here you can
Yes,
see
sir.
this is self-discovery. Some student, if they ask that why wheels are circular, why it can't be square, कभी आता है ऐसा मन में? गुड बॉयज को नहीं आएगा. Good boys, they follow whatever teacher tells, and first bencher, I should say, and disciplined. They think also, means very what I should say, calculatively. They are thinking also very calculative, disciplined, calculative. So teacher ने इतना बोला तो इतना ही होगा, उससे बाहर कुछ होगा नहीं. So they score high, they get a good ranking. but they never can explore this sort of things. This is question, awkward question. Why it can be circular? Why it can be square? So क्या square हो सकता है? Wheel
No, नहीं sir.
नहीं हो सकता है. प्रेम किधर है? प्रेम प्रेम
यस सर.
क्या तुमको क्या लग रहा है?
सर स्क्वायर मतलब फॉर प्लेन इट शुड बी सर्कुलर ओनली. स्क्वायर नीड a
देखो
different
वो
type of
वो
surface.
वो कुछ कुछ सोचा एक्स्ट्रा.
I
वो
have seen
एकदम
YouTube
ना नहीं
videos
बोला.
where they ride
हाँ
cycles on like with a square like square.
अभी फिर से बताओ.
Like sir, I have seen some YouTube videos where they were like riding cycle with a square wheels.
हम्म.
So they have to make surface which should adjust to that. Like which
That actually I in my photo it is showing that. So
yes,
the cycle wheel can be square, then our road should be bumpy,
yes sir,
and this bump should be equal to the length of one side of the square.
Yes, sir.
yes
Then
sir,
it can move. You can get many YouTube videos for that. So this is normally it will not come to any student's mind, but if comes, you cannot ignore. We should not ignore. We should have a tool. We now what I can say now. I have given you tool. You do it, model it, and you try it. I will not give you answer. You find your answer. So you go back. Go back.
Okay.
No, not that. Go back. This is self-discovery. No. Path of self-discovery, self-learning. Now you know the modeling. You model it and try it.
Okay. Yes, sir.
This is self-learning. Actually, it is not literary sense. It is in practical sense. And all my thoughts when I tried to develop a new way of teaching mathematics, no, then all this were there in my mind. Means I thought that this knowledge is endless. You cannot teach everything to any student. But if you can give the tools, then whatever he likes to learn, he can learn.
Yes, sir.
So 1 minute, huh? Just 1 minute. So now it is lunch time. So scroll fast.
Okay, sir.
Is it interesting or not?
Yeah, yes, sir. But sir,
Mathematics learning is not interesting. Sharing this thought is most interesting, what I feel. The brilliant students, they want this knowledge. They are sufficiently brilliant enough to explore anything, provided they know what to explore.
yes,
And I should say is I expect that after that you concentrate this 2 months, you concentrate fully with me, and you will gain lot of things which will simply make out you from the others. You can talk about any subject, any subject. This quality will not have been is to be achieved by anybody without this knowledge. If you have this knowledge, you can learn anything, you can be master anything, you can have a huge confidence on these things. Here actually I have said seeing is believing. So that is the philosophy of mine. And now let us skip this thing. So we'll go to that. You go to that. Go to that. Go back. Go down. These are the colleges I have. These are the colleges where I have conducted my workshops. So many colleges. Go back. Go back.
Back.
No, no, no. Sorry. Go
Okay,
forward.
okay.
Now polynomial. This is actually I am talking about this linear algebra. So polynomial, and you see this another story. I talk you. You are solving this polynomial equation, binomial equation from the childhood, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
A 20 years boy. That day also I told you. He has given some thought. He has told that you cannot solve a polynomial of power 5, polynomial with power 5 with a formula. Quadratic formula, quadratic equation, you have a formula.
Yes, sir.
But you cannot get a formula for a polynomial of power 5 and above. Simple thought. You can write it down. You cannot have a formula for solving a polynomial of power 5 and above. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever may be, whatever you are brilliant, you cannot get a formula for that. Now that uh, whole world, whole world is depend on that, working on that. Most important, the mathematical research topic is this. People know it. It is not possible, but what is the proof? And
Mhm.
people is working on proof. So major important subject is now abstract algebra and proving that this theory is right or wrong. This is also, if you are brilliant guys, you can work on that also. And it is huge rewarding. And if you know the effects, where from this imaginary number came, how we got that quadratic formula, cubic formulas, these are the stories, very nice stories actually behind all those things. So come down here. If you read this for a simple learning sake, passing exam, then it is almost, it will not appear, it will not help you, excite you. But if you know this background, then mathematics will excite you. There are so many things to be done yet. So here actually these are the roots, and this coefficient has a relationship that I have explained. And then how to do that, these are the things. Actually, I told don't spend time here and there. Here I have given already already all these things. And you know all these things. That also there. So
So,
it will be very easily you can grasp it. You can go further on that. But if you go on aimlessly surfing YouTube and Google, you will not land anywhere. So here I think redefined here point transformation matrix. Actually, that linear algebra means you see that equation left hand side and right hand side is there. So right hand side you can say 0 and 20. So for what x we get 0 and 20. Okay. So in that way, that transformation matrix, you had a point, and which matrix multiplication will give you the solution. 4 and 2 is the solution. If x is equal to 4 and 2 is equal to y, then only you can transform this matrix 0 and 20 to 4 and 2. 4 and 2, suppose you know the rule, means answer. 4 and 2 will, yes, 4 and 2, yes, 0. So this is the solution. Suppose you know solution. So what actually we are doing? From transformation angle, we are finding a matrix which is transforming 0 and 20 to 4 and 2. Is not it? So 4, this 4.4 minus 0.3 minus 0.2, 0.1, this matrix is the inverse of 1 minus 2, 3 and 4. That first one is there, no? You see first matrix, xy 1, 3, 2, 4 and 0 and 20. This is the coefficient of this equation. So now what I have done, so 0 and 20 I know, and if you inverse this, so you will get this inverse, and if you multiply this 2, it will get 4 and 2. Indirect way of seeing from transformation perspective. So linear algebra, you are trying to find out which the coefficient inverse of the coefficient matrix will produce when the right hand side is 0 and 20. So now go down. This is actually a graphical method, and this is a spanning linear combination. This is also solution. You can see this, put it in our presentation. This is another method, linear combination for solving linear equation. Go down, and go down. This is three-dimensional case, so go down. Yes, yeah, this is explained how to do solve in MS Excel. This is I was asking that you can get here. So easily, and with that you go back again. Now you can see this is gold sheet. Then next go back, down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Solver. This is solver. How to solve it? That everything very nicely presented. So material is there. I think you should complete this
Okay.
chapter today.
Okay, sir. Yeah, goal seek and solver, two things are there.
Yeah, to sing at the presentation here, because when I pay, this presentation is more appealing.
Yeah.
You can include in overleaf. So you see that, and go back to our classroom.
Okay. Uh,
It should be have opened somewhere.
yeah, sir. I'm not getting it.
Okay. Continue. Okay, but forget you. Prem, can you share your screen? I think yes. I wait here. Here, right side one Excel file is there. Can you download that? I think I have a very simple way. I have introduced the subject, and the slowly I have taken you in the proper. No, here I think print. Okay, try it. I think print will not solve this purpose. Yes, I think it will not serve the purpose. You
So yes,
see,
sir. Yes, sir. So it is open in Google Sheet now. So it will reveal the
Google
question.
Worksheet, but you download and work it on Microsoft Excel. So that will be the better option because Google is not a good option. So here you see that worksheet. You can you go to that first worksheet, second worksheet, which is the leftmost worksheet. Can you download it now? Google Worksheet. You see, there are so many calculations are there. Not there. Google Worksheet. Google Worksheet. That you opened in Google. No, this green color. Next one. Above. Menu. Top menu. It is already open in your Google Worksheet. This plus sign, green plus sign. In your top menu.
His
No.
voice is not coming now.
Is it problem from my side or your side? Can you hear me, Nishant?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Sir, I have opened it in Google Sheets. So can I
Okay, you
share?
share it. You share it.
With this.
Yes. You now you can go leftmost worksheet is that. Yes.
Okay.
So here I have seen. Yeah, you will get that how I have created a 3D object. Next worksheet. Next worksheet.
Okay. Okay, sir.
No. Uh, this this is an example from Kumaresan book, and then gold sheet how calculation is there. So how to do that? Then next is again Kumaresan. Then what is inconsistency? Then what is singular thing? When you open it in Excel, you will understand. So
Yeah.
what is consistent meaning? Trace on that consistent. Then right side. So
Linear combination.
linear combination, shifting, inverse, again linear combination in 3D, then eigenvectors, solver, solver add in 3D, Golshik. So everything is there in file. So you need not start from zero. You
Yeah.
just start working and take help of this file. You download this. This is, I
Yes.
think, easily download file and download your option. You press on file and there are
Okay.
download options is there here. So easily you can download that and you can work on that. So both of you required to learn it, and I think Sadaf, you will not do much about vector also. So Nishant, you try for all these three.
Okay, sir. Okay.
All these three. Prem, you concentrate on that three chapters, 10, 11, 12. But at the same time, I am asking Nishant, you also learn those three chapters also.
Yeah. Sir,
So,
once I have read through all the chapters, not very detailed, but I have read through the entire book once. So I will
so
do it again.
you can add that what to be done there and which one will be the best one in vector also like that. And you try to finish. Well, I think I will try to finish my bridge book today or today I cannot do that. So then we you start working on that, and any time you want to learn or understand anything, you call me. But don't go to the YouTube and Google.
Okay, sir. Okay.
It will unnecessarily, you will not learn all these things. Simple, honestly, I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
That learning will not help you. You should learn every point critically.
Yes, sir.
So with that, we can close now. Any point you want to share? I am excluding Sadab. He will not contribute much. He cannot contribute actually. What I felt.
Yes.
With that, we will stop. Anything you want to share?
So, as we are going through the book and we are mentioning the comments, so one day we can sit together and we can implement
That
it.
you that is one way you have done it. Now that is there. We will do that. But now you work on what to do now with these resources. Adding these resources, how this will be placed, where it will be placed. You work on that. So when I start with you, then we will start from zero and where we will be reaching.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you keep also the note, which note, that which file you have taken, and in Google Doc also you can write one, which file you started working and which file you copied. So some point of time, if you want to refer back to our original file, you should refer back and you should have ready, because there are so many files, it will be confusing in future. So that is, and you sometime you may work in this copy and sometime this copy, and ultimately you will not land in hodgepodge and all those things. So try to remember which file you started, which is the original file where you are working. You can name it with your name also, to
Okay, sir.
be very clear. But at the same time, you have to record that which file you have copied. So, and which date. That also give you that reference. Sometimes if you have to refer back to the file, we should get it. And best place is the DPR file. That is a permanent document there.
Okay, sir.
Prem, anything?
No, sir.
Okay. So good day today.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye. But write something in DPR so that we will track that whatever we have decided, and whether we are moving in right direction or not.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.